Yeah, g'day guys, quick vid on the Volkswagen Bora. Now, I've made previous videos about these locks failing. Here we have another failure. Where this plastic just shears off. It's deliberately done by Volkswagen. You can see they've engineered the failure of this plastic. So now, when the boot's stuck, you get your key here into this lock and very, very carefully holding the whole key, turn it that way and you'll release the boot. Or if this mechanism is then failed here or here, so then you have another option is to peel the carpet back from here and then pull the lever here, okay, or mechanically try and operate this lock when this spring breaks. So I've gone into that previously. So there's 3 or 4 or 5 ways to have problems here. One is this lock, which I've done previously twice on many other Audis in that. 2 is this piece of plastic that then just shears off here, okay? And 3 is when this comes off, which I've seen. So in that event, you pull the carpet back and pull the lever like that. Anyway, hope that helps. Remember to hold your key, as the key is engineered to explode as well. So you hold the key like that and that. That's right. My brother's laughing, but it's so true. So true. Anyway, but as I said, these look awesome. They've got good hinges, Volkswagens, and good rust protection. In Australia, they do not rust. You can see this car's had tons of leaves here, yet it's never rusted. So yeah, great body protection for rust. See ya.